I do get my back shaved every other day. I have like hair like an Armenian war princess, so I constantly have to stay up on my manscaping.
In the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
Oh, your boy looks... I don't know if this is supposed to be an intellectual show or comedic show. Yeah, your boy looks freaking sexy today, boy. Check your boy out.
You look great. You look full of life. You look pregnant.
Yeah, hey, yo, hey.
Honey, you can't have a beer at the prom, and you can't drive a car through the kitchen window.
What film?
It's your film, Bill.
Revenge of the Nerds Part 3?
Well,
Just that they are, but we're not.
I'll never forget one of your funniest lines was we were taking a picture, and as a group of us assembled to take a picture for the film festival, and you stepped in and you said, "Have you ever examined?"
This knows things. This has been broken in boxing many times.
And see, I got a massive aquarium.
catering card. Remember to...
Yeah. Well, you got...
Have you ever...
Extrasensory perception.
Here I go.
I got into composing and arranging music.
You ready to...
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boy. Killing it.